you starting making it?
Yeah. All right, we got a porcupine out back. I'm trying to get rid of. Okay, stay low. Stay low. Low. Go right to the end of the fence. The end of the fence. All right. There you go. I see him. Oh, let it. He's on the boat now. Oh, he's gone onto the boat.
Oh no.
You ready to go? Let's say.
Shoot again?
Yeah. Well, let's just see if we can get him out of the boat. All right, we're gonna have to go a little closer. Psst, get out of here. Throw a little stick out there. Oh, he's under the boat. Usually there's two of them, so look around.
Maybe, Daddy, if I aim at the can from here, he'll be like, what's going on? I better go do something. You want me to?
Yeah, if you think you can get it, that's a long shot, though. Good form, good form.